what I'm looking to do today. Instead of building out the CRUD features and the database and all that good stuff, I'm going to go through an actual process of creating a repository, connecting it with gitpod, using vercel to get the project on the internet first, make commits, stage it, all of that good stuff. But ultimately what we're going to do is build a portfolio website. If you don't already have GitHub, I'm on the GitHub website. I'm already logged in. Going to /new to create a new repository. And then here we have the ability to name it. And I think I'll just name this portfolio site. It's available. I think I will keep this public for now. I'm not going to add a README. I think we can keep it public. Should I keep this public? I'll make it private. Some of you might get a little creative with this. I don't want my stuff hacked or anything. But so we set up this project, and this is basically the link to it. And this is the process to perform the Git actions to publish things on GitHub as need be. So since we're good here, next thing we want to do is access gitpod. And we'll go to continue with GitHub. We'll need to log in. And if you don't know what gitpod is, it's basically a way for us to containerize our application. I don't want this one. Let's go to gitpod.io, https:// sorry, I'm just going to manually type it in. .com/the/, let's just go there. There we go. We'll connect this. We're going to use, I should have kept it public because now it's going to be looking for this site and I have it private. So let's do this. I think what I do. Alright, so this is going to take me to a internet interface of VS Code. Let's go ahead and use this to create the Nextjs project. So it'll be npx create next app at latest space and dot directory. Yep. So we'll just go ahead and do that. Hit OK to proceed, and we'll say yes to TypeScript, no to ESLint, yes to Tailwind, no to the SRC, yes to the app router, yes to the turbo pack, no to the import alias, and just give it a few minutes to finish installing. I'll take care of that. And then next, I think what I want to do is go ahead and commit this to Git. So we'll say git at origin or git at GitHub / and this is portfolio. So now we'll do a git add, and we can go git commit initial setup init. I got everything, and then the last would be a git push origin. So now we can just go ahead and deploy to vercel. So I'm probably already logged in. Yep. Then I intend to deploy as well. As a matter of fact, we're getting ready to do that now. So we'll go to deployments. That's what I already have live. These are some older projects that I did. And then we're going to import this one. Yep. If I had any, well, when I add environment variables, I'm going to add them here. But for right now, we're just going to deploy. And we'll go through the process of actually making commits after each update, so you can get in the habit of seeing how frequently you want to do it, name it, and if we need to roll anything back or go back and make any changes, we'll be able to do that fairly easy as well too. So we'll work on that, and it is deploying now. So we'll give it a few minutes, and then we'll just watch them live as they update them. And we can also run this in a development environment as well too, in the event we don't want to deploy this to the web just yet, or we don't want to deploy what we've created to the web. We can run it in a local environment before we actually push it to Git. So that's going to be the pretty cool thing about this. So it's pretty cool. Looking forward to doing a little bit more with it. But that's basically all it is to it. We have a portfolio or a Nextjs application that is using gitpod versus traditional VS Code. I do have it, but I'm not using it. All of this is coming from gitpod, and we've just deployed it to vercel on a portfolio site. Hope I spelt that correctly, but if not, it's all good. And right here, you see the home page text that we have on screen.